What if your smartwatch could warn you about a heart attack hours before you even felt a symptom? What if a machine, not a human, was the first to know something was wrong, and it was right? Imagine an AI trained on millions of medical cases, quietly monitoring patients in real time and saving lives before doctors even step in. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's already happening. If AI can save a life today, what will it be capable of tomorrow? Stay with me, because this could change how you see hospitals forever. But before we dive into the future, make sure to subscribe to our channel. So, how exactly is AI being used in hospitals today? Let's start with diagnostics. AI systems can analyze X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans, often spotting early signs of cancer, fractures, or infections that even trained doctors might miss. And it doesn't stop there. AI helps in predicting ICU risks, automating routine tasks, and even assisting surgeons in real time during complex procedures. Here's where things get even more futuristic and a little eerie. In some hospitals, AI monitors every heartbeat, oxygen level, and blood pressure change in real time. It doesn't just react, it predicts. These systems can detect early signs of sepsis, stroke, or even cardiac arrest hours before they become emergencies. And when it spots a risk, it alerts the medical team, giving them a critical head start to save a life. Now imagine this: a robotic arm guided by AI, holding steadier than any human hand, assisting surgeons in high-risk procedures, from removing tumors with pinpoint accuracy to stitching tissue so fine it looks like art. AI isn't replacing doctors. It's becoming their ultimate support system. But AI isn't just helping in the operating room. It's working behind the scenes, scanning thousands of test results, blood reports, X-rays, and scans, all in seconds. It's trained on millions of cases, spotting microscopic patterns even senior doctors can't see. It can detect lung cancer before a patient even coughs, or flag a silent infection days before symptoms begin. This level of accuracy can mean the difference between a quick recovery and a life-threatening delay. And once a patient is treated, the AI doesn't stop working. It tracks your recovery, monitoring vitals, adjusting medications, suggesting better diets, and even warning caregivers when something's not right. This isn't just faster healthcare, it's smarter healthcare. A recovery plan designed around you, powered by AI. Everything you've seen so far is just the beginning. In the near future, hospitals could run 24/7 with AI scheduling doctors, managing supplies, and customizing treatments for every patient. Surgical robots could be guided in real time by AI that's learned from millions of surgeries, reducing human error to almost zero. And someday soon, AI might not just help doctors, it might become one. The question is no longer if AI will change medicine, it's how far we'll let it go. Because if today's AI can already save lives, tomorrow's could redefine what it means to be human. So the next time you walk into a hospital, you might not see it, but AI could already be watching over you, tracking your vitals, predicting the danger, maybe even saving your life before anyone notices a thing. And this is just one face of AI. In the next episode, we'll explore how AI is taking the wheel, literally, in the world of self-driving cars. If this fascinated you, there's so much more ahead. Subscribe to NeuroPix AI, where the future isn't just explained, it's experienced. Got questions, corrections, or suggestions? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And if you found value in this video, like and share it with others who should see this.